Genital aesthetic surgeries are important for women's mental and physical health. The genitalia consist of a vagina, larger lips, small lips, a hymen, and the upper part of the lips. Any deformation in the genital area can cause problems, such as insecurity, lack of sexuality, dissatisfaction, or shame in women. Genital aesthetics remove such deformities and make necessary corrections. Advanced and rapid medical techniques can help patients to achieve their desired results. In general, genital aesthetic surgeries are seen as cosmetic procedures. However, it provides benefits from functional aspects. While specific procedures restore tightness and function, others help improve conditions such as urinary incontinence.